How to remove email account from Outlook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. For this, first and foremost, launch your Outlook mobile application in your mobile device. Over here, if you have got yourself multiple account and if you wish to remove any of the one, just tap on the account icon. If this using account is not the one that you wish to remove, then don't forget to switch on the next account with a simple click. Now what you need to do is tap on your user icon. Then at the bottom you will see a setting gear option. Click on it. Right over here, scroll down and under General, you will see the option of Account. Click on it. All you need to do is basically press and hold on to your account. Then you will find an interface like this. At the bottom, you will see Remove Account. Just click on it. Then tap on Remove once again. And just like that, you have successfully removed email account from Outlook. That sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.